Hello everyone, and welcome back to the AGF channel. My name is Carly, YouTube and blog contributor here at Art Gallery Fabrics, and today I have a very easy and simple technique for you to try. You may have heard of the 9-patch block, or you may be familiar with strip piecing, but have you ever heard of creating a 9-patch block using strip piecing? It's practically magic. Without further ado, let's get started. For this technique, you will need 9 assorted strips that are 3.5 inches by width of fabric. I used 1 strip of Ikat Diamond Rustic from Kismet, 1 strip of our Pure Solids in Sandstone, 1 strip of Make and Mend Shine from Homebody, 1 strip of our Pure Solids in Georgia Peach, 1 strip of our Pure Solids in Creme de la Creme, 2 strips of Freckled Leaves from Terrakotta, and 2 strips of Kantha Mica from Kismet. Pair your strips into 3 groups of 3 and sew them together at 1/4 inch on the long edge. Cut each strip into 11 pieces that are 3.5 inches by 9.5 inches. Next, join your smaller strips into your 9-patch blocks using 1 strip from each set for each block. You will have 2 strips from each set, totaling 6 strips left over. Set them aside. After your 9-patch blocks are complete, sew each block to the next until you have 3 rows of 3 blocks. Take 1 strip from each set that you had set aside and sew them to the right of your 3 rows. Also take the last 3 spare strips and sew them together on each short end. Finally, we can sew our rows together. The bottom right corner will be missing a square, and that is a-okay. You can definitely add a 3.5 inch square here, but make sure to head over to our blog for part 2 of this video, showing you how you can use this technique to make a big fluffy pillow. Or you can make a tote bag, as you see here, or even spruce up a shirt and make it unique. Until next time, happy sewing everyone!